Welcome to CCTV Networking Technical Support channel. In this video, we are going to see how we can download unknown drivers of Windows operating system. So let's start this video. First of all, we need to go to Device Manager. Click on this PC, right click on it and go to Properties. Then you will find here left hand side Device Manager option. Click on it, and here as you can see there is a driver required, but we don't know which device is this. So click on it, right click and go to Properties, go to Details tab, and in the Property section choose Hardware ID. Now first, on the first value, right click on it and copy it, paste and search in your internet browser. Once you click on it, just go to the first website and open it. You will see this is the driver of Sony firmware extension Parser device driver. As I have Windows 10 installed, so I'm going to download this driver. Let's click on this agreement and download. As you can see, the exe file is downloaded. This exe file is basically driver file. Right click on it and run as administrator. The setup will start and the driver will